Hi, and welcome to Digital PL. You may have noticed that recently Google's made some changes to the Gmail user interface. I'd like to take some time to show you around. Our first stop on the new features list is when you highlight messages in your inbox, you'll see an options menu on the right-hand side. This will allow you to quickly access tools like Archive, Trash. This will allow you to quickly access tools like the Archive feature, Delete, Mark as Read or Unread, and the Snooze button. The Snooze feature is pretty cool. This will allow you to quickly access tools like Archive, Delete, Mark as Read or Unread, and the new Snooze feature. If you click the Snooze button, you'll see a list of options where you can have the email be delivered to you again at a later time, and you get to choose which time it comes back to you. If you're using Gmail on your mobile device, you can even have these Snooze features trigger on location. The Compose button still functions mostly the same. You can type an email directly, or you can begin typing to have Google make suggestions based off of your contacts list. You can click the CC and BCC buttons over here to add in carbon copy or blind carbon copy. You can also click to pull up your contacts list and select as many users as you need to for this particular email. You can change this menu from My Contacts to Directory to see a list of all Baldwin County Gmail users. Click on the box next to their name to highlight them and add them to your email. You can even create groups on the fly using this method. Don't forget to use the Gmail attachment icon down here to quickly access your Google Drive and pull in files that you need to reference in that email and share them with others. Simply click on a file you need and insert. Another powerful new tool is the inclusion of Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks in your right-hand menu. When you click these icons, it'll open that tool on the right-hand side of your menu. This is a great tool to reference or create events or meetings while you're composing your emails. You can also use Google Keep to take notes or create lists, and then you can use the Task Manager to create a to-do list for things that you need to get completed. You can even check them off when you're done. If you like, you can also create a preview panel to allow you to read your email without losing sight of your inbox. To do that, click on your gear icon, and then click Settings, and then head to Advanced, and then you want to find Preview Pane and Enable. Then click Save Changes. Once Gmail reloads, you'll see that you now have this preview panel. So when you click an email, the email will appear on the right-hand side of the screen, but your inbox will still be on the left. You can even use the line in the middle to expand or minimize either menu, however you see fit. And don't forget about Google Hangouts. Those tools can be found in the bottom left-hand side of the menu. These three icons represent your contacts list, your message boards, and you can even make phone calls. Now you've got all the tools that you need to earn the Gmail Intro badge on Digital PL. Thanks for watching.